Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go. If we take a look from the previous week analysis at this level 1.14748 engulfing bearish candle and also bearish pin bar. These two candlestick patterns formed on the confluence of resistance, where we have downtrend channel resistance and also horizontal resistance level. Since then, the price started moving down. The first day was indecision candle, which formed on the 1.14000 support level. From there, the price formed a large bearish candle, which took the price back inside price range area, what we can see on the chart here. Then we had 3 days as an indecision candle that did not move the price upwards, also on downwards, and the price also stopped on the first support level at 1.13094. This week started with 2 bearish candles with a small body. On Monday we had a small bearish candle without wick on the upper side and with a large wick on the lower side. The wick managed to break below previous day's low, which meant the bearish pressure is stronger than the bullish. On Tuesday we had also a small bearish candle body without wick on the upper side, but with larger wick on the downside. And also this wick has broken below previous lows, which is visible here. This also meant the price is making selling pressure and we could see the price reaching lower levels. And the next level that was in front of the price to break below even more was this level, these levels of the previous candle's lows. And on the Wednesday there was a large bearish candle with large body without wicks. The candle closed almost next to previous candle's low. So the price needed to break below these levels to reach the first support level at 1.11871. And this support level has stopped the price in the past here in November last year. So the price on Thursday formed even larger bearish candle that took price outside of this downtrend channel, broke below this support level and also below this support level. This area was a confluence of support for the price, and the price even did not find any stronger support, which meant there was no buyers on the market and also the sellers were too strong for the buyers. So the price broken below even this level, which meant a strong selling pressure for the market. So the market has turned into bearish sentiment. What you can see, so the price this week has broken several low levels. The first one was here, that has broken on Monday with a wick that has broken below these low levels. Then the second one was on Tuesday, where the price has broke below these low levels, and on Wednesday the price has reached below these low levels and stopped here at the previous also low levels of these candles. And on Thursday it was over. Bears has took over, they have broke below this confluence of support, and on Friday the price has stopped here as indecision candle. What we can expect next week is, because of this indecision candle, we could expect the price return back up to the current confluence of resistance, which now this area with horizontal resistance level 1.11871 with this downtrend channel resistance line will make selling pressure for the price. So the price could return back up, find here a selling pressure that will make a pressure for the price to return back down, and the first support level below is at 1.10755. If the price breaks below, the next support level is at 1.09860. So in order the price to change from the current bearish sentiment into bullish sentiment, the first step is to return back up into price range area. and also inside the downtrend channel. If the price manages that, the next level is 1.14000 to be broken in order to make a bullish sentiment. If the price manages to get back into price range area and to reach 1.14000, these levels, what you can see here, these the upper levels, this one also, and this one also, should be covered with a large bullish candle, similar like this one. If the price manages to close here on the daily time frame, also here, then we will have a strong bullish signal that the market could move from the bearish currently, which is into neutral and then into bullish mode. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!